Victorian-Style Cottage Garden, inspiring paths with timeless floral beauty to transform your space. A Victorian-style cottage garden is a charming and enchanting outdoor space that captures the elegance and romance of the Victorian era. Known for its abundant floral displays and intricate garden paths, this style of gardening creates a captivating environment that invites exploration and relaxation. The Victorian cottage garden emphasizes a harmonious blend of symmetry and natural beauty, combining meticulously curated flower beds, gracefully winding paths, and quaint architectural elements that transport you back in time. Paths are essential in this garden style, guiding visitors through a tapestry of colors, scents, and textures, typically constructed from natural materials like cobblestones, brick, or gravel. These pathways integrate seamlessly into the landscape, enhancing the garden's organic feel. Their winding nature not only adds visual interest, but also provides a sense of discovery and surprise around every corner. As you meander through the garden, you will encounter charming nooks and crannies, each offering a unique glimpse into the beauty that defines this style. The floral component of a Victorian-style cottage garden is nothing short of spectacular, drawing inspiration from the Victorian love of botanical diversity. These gardens feature a wide array of plant species, including perennials, annuals, and bulbs. Traditional favorites such as roses, peonies, foxgloves, and hollyhocks take center stage, their vibrant colors and lush foliage creating a timeless appeal. Clematis and wisteria often adorn trellises and archways, adding vertical interest and a sense of enchantment to the space. While the flower beds are the vibrant tapestry of the garden, the inclusion of shrubs and small trees, such as lilacs, magnolias, and cherry blossoms, add structural elements and a sense of scale. These features provide depth and form, offering a beautiful contrast to the softer, more ephemeral blooms. Whether in full blossom or budding in spring, these plants ensure the garden remains beautiful year-round, with each season offering its own unique palette of colors and fragrances. Elements such as birdbaths, sundials, and vintage garden furniture enhance the garden's charm, inviting visitors to pause and enjoy the serene surroundings. These items, often crafted from wrought iron or weathered wood, add a touch of antiquity and blend seamlessly with the garden's aesthetic. Meanwhile, strategically placed benches and seating areas offer picturesque views, encouraging quiet reflection or lively conversation amidst nature's beauty. Lighting plays a crucial role in transforming the garden into an enchanting evening haven. The strategic placement of lanterns, fairy lights, or lanterns casts a soft glow in the paths and highlights the vibrant flowers and foliage, creating a magical atmosphere. Romantic and inviting, the garden becomes a perfect backdrop for evening strolls or intimate gatherings under the stars. Water features such as small ponds or bubbling fountains can further enhance the tranquil ambience. The sound of water provides a soothing backdrop, fostering a sense of peace and relaxation. These elements not only add to the garden's beauty, but also attract birdlife, increasing the sense of a natural, living landscape. In designing a Victorian-style cottage garden, the emphasis is on creating a space that feels both nostalgic and timeless. The goal is to craft an inviting environment that invites time to slow down, allowing you to immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of nature. Whether you're an avid gardener or simply someone who appreciates the splendor of a well-designed outdoor space, the Victorian-style cottage garden offers endless inspiration and a retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Its timeless floral beauty and winding paths form a haven that delights the senses and rejuvenates the spirit, truly transforming any space into a picturesque sanctuary.